Estradiol Cypionate. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Estradiol Cypionate. Drug class, estrogen hormone, sex hormone, hormone replacement therapy, HRT agent. Common brand names, depot estradiol, generic estradiol cypionate injection. Drug forms, intramuscular IM injection, sterile oil-based solution, common strength, 5 milligrams per milliliter injection. Number 2, definition. Estradiol cypionate is a long-acting injectable estrogen that contains a synthetic ester of estradiol, the primary natural female sex hormone. After intramuscular injection, it is slowly released into the bloodstream, providing prolonged estrogen activity. It is primarily used in hormone replacement therapy, HRT, treatment of hypoestrogenism, menopausal symptoms, female hypogonadism, and as part of gender-affirming hormone therapy. Number 3, mechanism of action. Estradiol cypionate works by replacing deficient estrogen levels. Step-by-step mechanism 1, injected into muscle. 2, slowly released from the injection site. Through esterase enzymes convert estradiol cypionate into active estradiol. 4, estradiol enters target cells. 5, binds estrogen receptors, ERI and ERB. 6, hormone receptor complex enters the nucleus. 7, alters gene transcription. 8, increases protein synthesis. 9, produces estrogenic effects throughout the body. Physiological effects. Maintains female reproductive organs, reduces menopausal symptoms, preserves bone mineral density, improves vaginal lubrication, maintains skin elasticity, helps regulate lipid metabolism, supports cardiovascular health. Number 4, pharmacokinetics. Absorption, slowly absorbed after IM injection. Bioavailability, nearly complete after injection. Peak plasma level, approximately 2 to 5 days. Duration of action, usually 2 to 4 weeks. Distribution, highly protein-bound, widely distributed. Metabolism, liver, converted into estrone and estriol. Elimination, primarily urine, small amount in feces. Half-life, approximately 8 to 10 days, variable. Number 5, uses, menopausal hormone replacement therapy, estrogen deficiency, female hypogonadism, primary ovarian failure, surgical menopause, prevention of osteoporosis selected women, gender-affirming hormone therapy, delayed puberty due to estrogen deficiency, treatment of vaginal atrophy, relief of vasomotor symptoms. Number 6, indications. Estradiol cypionate is indicated for moderate to severe hot flashes, vulvar and vaginal atrophy, hypoestrogenism, ovarian failure, hypogonadism, bilateral oophorectomy, Turner syndrome, selected patients, gender-affirming hormone therapy, certain infertility protocols, specialist use. Number 7, contraindications. Do not use in patients with pregnancy, undiagnosed vaginal bleeding, breast cancer, estrogen-dependent tumors, endometrial cancer, active liver disease, previous stroke, deep vein thrombosis DVT, pulmonary embolism, recent myocardial infarction, known thrombophilia, allergy to estradiol cypionate. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. Use cautiously in patients with hypertension, diabetes, migraine headaches, gallbladder disease, kidney disease, heart disease, asthma, epilepsy, depression, obesity, hypertriglyceridemia, endometriosis, uterine fibroids, smoking, especially 35 years, family history of breast cancer. Monitoring blood pressure, breast examination, pelvic examination, mammography, liver function, blood glucose, lipid profile, weight, bone density, long-term therapy. Number 9, how to use. Administer by deep intramuscular injection only. Inject into the gluteal muscle or another appropriate IM site. Rotate injection sites. Use exactly as prescribed. Do not self-adjust the dose. Maintain regular follow-up appointments. Do not share medication. Store according to manufacturer recommendations. Number 10, dosing information. Menopausal symptoms, 1 to 5 milligrams IM every 3 to 4 weeks. Female hypogonadism, 1.5 to 2 milligrams IM every 4 weeks, individualized. Gender-affirming hormone therapy, commonly 2 to 10 milligrams IM every 1 to 2 weeks, individualized by specialist. Elderly, lowest effective dose. Dose adjustment, individualized according to clinical response and adverse effects. Number 11, miss a dose, overdose, misdose. Contact your healthcare provider for instructions. Receive the injection as soon as practical. Do not double the next dose. Overdose symptoms may include severe nausea, vomiting, breast tenderness, vaginal bleeding, fluid retention, headache treatment, supportive care, symptom management, medical observation, no specific antidote. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop the medication and seek medical care if you develop chest pain, sudden shortness of breath, stroke symptoms, vision loss, severe headache, leg swelling or pain, jaundice, severe allergic reaction, pregnancy, new breast lump. Number 13. Side effects common: headache, nausea, breast tenderness, weight gain, injection site pain, mood changes, bloating, vaginal discharge, irregular bleeding, leg cramps. Less common: hair loss, acne, skin pigmentation, increased blood pressure, reduced libido. Serious: deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, stroke, heart attack, gallbladder disease, liver dysfunction, endometrial hyperplasia, breast cancer risk with prolonged use, severe allergic reactions. Number 14. Vital information. Use the lowest effective dose for the shortest duration consistent with treatment goals. Women with a uterus generally require a progestin in addition to estrogen to reduce the risk of endometrial hyperplasia and cancer. Does not prevent pregnancy. Avoid smoking because it increases the risk of blood clots and cardiovascular events. Attend regular breast and pelvic examinations. Report abnormal vaginal bleeding immediately. Inform healthcare providers before surgery, as temporary discontinuation may be needed to reduce thromboembolic risk. Number 15. Other drugs will affect estradiol cypionate. Drugs that may reduce effectiveness: rifampin, rifabutin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, phenobarbital, primidone, topiramate, St. John's wort. Drugs that may increase estrogen levels: ketoconazole, itraconazole, clarithromycin, erythromycin, ritonavir. Effects may vary. Cobicistat. Other interacting drugs: warfarin may alter anticoagulant effect. Thyroid hormone replacement may require dose adjustment. Corticosteroids, insulin and oral anti-diabetic drugs, cyclosporin, tacrolimus, lamotrigine. Estrogen may lower lamotrigine levels. Number 16. Drug comparison: estradiol cypionate versus estradiol valerate. Estradiol cypionate, longer duration of action, often dosed every 2 to 4 weeks. Slow, sustained release after IM injection. Estradiol valerate, slightly shorter duration, often dosed every 1 to 2 weeks. More frequent dosing may be required. Estradiol cypionate, oral estradiol. Estradiol cypionate injectable avoids first-pass hepatic metabolism. Less frequent dosing, more stable serum levels between doses. Oral estradiol daily tablets, undergoes first-pass liver metabolism, convenient for patients who prefer oral therapy, greater impact on certain liver proteins. Estradiol cypionate transdermal, estradiol patch, estradiol cypionate, intramuscular injection, long-acting, suitable for patients preferring infrequent dosing. Transdermal patch applied once or twice weekly provides continuous hormone delivery, lower effect on liver protein synthesis compared with oral therapy, no injections required. Number 17. Patient teaching. Take the medication exactly as prescribed. Keep all follow-up appointments and laboratory tests. Learn the proper injection technique if self-administration is recommended. Do not smoke while using estrogen therapy. Perform monthly breast self-examinations and attend recommended mammography screenings. Report any unusual vaginal bleeding promptly. Seek emergency medical care for symptoms of blood clots, stroke, heart attack, or severe allergic reactions. Inform all healthcare providers that you are receiving estrogen therapy. Maintain adequate calcium and vitamin D intake, and engage in weight-bearing exercise to support bone health. Store the medication safely and keep it out of reach of children. Do not stop treatment or change the dose without consulting your healthcare provider. Inform your healthcare provider if you become pregnant or plan to become pregnant. Thank you. Have a nice day.